report. Okay.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So the name of the textbook is First Flight. The first flight. Uh, there is one story in this textbook. It is also called as First Flight, and I believe they have taken their inspiration from this chapter and they have made the name of the textbook as First Flight. But there is also one more reason why they have made the name of the textbook as the First Flight, because this is going to be your first flight towards adulthood. This is going to be your first flight towards competition that exists out there. And we I am very confident that all of you are going to excel in that flight as well. So let's look at some of the contents of this textbook which we will have to do over this year. So the the chapters that are mentioned in the black are stories that are there in your textbook. This is the main textbook, okay? And the words that are written out in blue, they are your poems. So chapters and poems. So let's look at, so the first story is A Letter to God, where a person who is in trouble writes a letter to God. Then it is followed by two poems, which is Dust of Snow and Fire and Ice. Dust of Snow and Fire and Ice, they are both written by the same person. And it shows, one poem talks about how small things, how miniature things in life can make big impact and can change a person's whole day. And a Fire and Ice talks about how this world is going to end. And I believe Fire and Ice will relate a lot to it because we have already felt from last 1.5 year that we might be moving towards the end. So this poem might hit differently when we read. The next that what we'll be taking up is Nelson Mandela, A Long Walk to Freedom. How many of you know who Nelson Mandela is? Everyone, do you know who Nelson Mandela is? If yes, just speak out yes. If no, then let me know.
Yes, sir.
You know who
No,
Nelson Mandela is?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No.
No,
Okay. Then
Yes,
those
sir.
of you who don't know, it is going to be a lot of fun reading about this. Okay. He was the South African leader who, like we have Mahatma Gandhi here.
Yes, sir.
Nelson
Yes, sir.
Mandela, you can say he has the similar stature in South Africa.
Yes, he was a political leader.
Okay. The next thing that we are going to take up is A Tiger in a Zoo. Now, this poem again, you will relate to it a lot. Why? Because have you all seen a tiger in the zoo? How many of you have seen tiger in the zoo?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I have seen.
Once we in a lifetime, whenever we have got a chance to visit a zoo, we might have seen a tiger over there. So A Tiger in a Zoo is a poem that talks about a tiger who is confined in a cage. Just like imagine we are confined right now in our homes and we feel suffocated. How many of you just want to leave the house and just go outside and have a little fun, just play little games? We all want that, right? Because
Yes.
Yes,
we
sir.
feel like we are bored at home. कुछ करने को नहीं है. There are no activities to do. And that is why we might relate to this tiger in the zoo as well. Next, after we are confined, we'll read about two stories about flying, where the first story is His First Flight, which is the name of the textbook as well. It is about a bird who is afraid to fly. Have you ever heard of this bird who is afraid to fly? It sounds like iron, but it is going to be an interesting story that how that bird overcomes his fear. And then we'll read about a black aeroplane, where in the darkest of times, how strengthful we are and how we can get out of it is what you are going to learn in this. These chapters are followed by how to tell wild animals and the ball poem. Okay, so how to tell wild animals, it is a very light, it is a very funny kind of a poem, where it talks about if you are lost in a jungle, how can you differentiate different animals by the basis on how they will kill you. तो मतलब हम देख के भी तो बता सकते थे, बट वो पोएम में कैसे बता रहा है, वो कैसे जानवर आपको मारेगा उसके बेसिस पे हम बता पाएंगे कि कौन सा वाइल्ड एनिमल कौन सा है. इट इज अ वेरी फन पोएम, we'll have a lot of fun when we read. But the ball poem is very serious. The ball poem is about a child who has lost a ball, and in that losing of ball, how from that moment he has understand what life is, what growing up is, and how do you get adjusted to the fact that you are going to lose things in the future. We move towards then uh, to the diary of Anne Frank. Anne Frank is again a very famous person. Anne Frank was a 14-15-year-old girl who was in a war situation, and what she did was she wrote a diary just because she did not have much friends, and she wrote in that diary somewhere around these lines that मैं तो एक छोटी सी बच्ची हूँ, who is going to read my diary. And today we'll be reading that diary, we'll be reading excerpts from this diary, but this diary is actually a novel also. So if you ever want, and some of you might be interested in reading, I would suggest to read the diary of an Anne Frank. Okay, then we go towards a poem which is called Amanda. Amanda is a poem. Amanda के अंदर क्या होता है, there is a mother, there is a girl, and the mother keeps nagging the girl, ऐसा मत करो, वैसा मत करो, ये नहीं करना चाहिए, वो नहीं करना चाहिए. And Amanda is lost in her thoughts. So you all might be Amandas कि मैं अभी कुछ बोल रहा हूँ and you are all lost in your thought कि हम ऐसा करेंगे, हम वैसा करेंगे. ये हम लोग हर year जब start होता है, whenever we start a new year, what do? We make these plans. ये साल में starting से पढ़ूंगा, this year I'm going to do all these things, and we end up failing. Some of us succeed, some of us fail. It's just like the new year resolution जो कि हम हर साल लेते हैं, but we only very few of us are able to succeed on it. Why? Because it takes perseverance. It takes you have to do it again and again and again. You should not give up. So ये जो story है अमेंडा, इससे भी आप काफी relate करेंगे. So these are this textbook is made in such a way कि ये जो आपके age group में आपको interesting लगेंगी, ये वो stories है. The 100 Dresses is a story which is divided into two parts, 100 Dresses 1 and 100 Dresses 2. It is also about a girl who is trying to adjust in a new atmosphere and how others treat her. Animals. It is a very good poem. Walt Whitman was one of the most famous poets of the modern generation, and he wrote a poem called Animals. Animals क्या बताता है? So Walt Whitman सोच रहा है कि आज के जमाने में when we are reading about these people who are selling fake injections, fake medicines, even in such times when all we need is a little humanity from people. तो कभी कभी ऐसा लगता होगा ना कि कितना खराब टाइम चल रहा है, लोग कितने खराब होते हैं. सो वॉल्ट विटमैन इन हिज पोएम इज आल्सो थिंकिंग द सेम थिंग कि एनिमल्स हमसे कितने बेटर हैं, एनिमल्स ये सब नहीं करते. तो ये पोएम उस लाइंस पे रहेंगी. ग्लिम्सेस ऑफ इंडिया. आफ्टर दिस विल गो ऑन अ टूर which is about India. We'll go to different places. We'll go to Goa, we'll go to Coorg, and we'll go to Assam, and we'll see what the history of that place is. The trees. This is again a very fascinating poem. I don't need to tell you much about the trees. We all know what the trees are, but we'll get to read more about it. Mijbil the otter. Again, it's a very fun poem. Fog तो तुम बोलोगे ये poem क्यों रखी है टेक्स्ट बुक में? It is a 5 to 7 line poems that is there, and you will feel कि सर हम भी लिख सकते हैं ऐसी poem तो. Madam Rides the Bus is about a young girl will who is fascinated by bus and wants to go from one place to another, but उसको वो place नहीं explore करनी है, उसे वो bus ride explore करनी है. The Tale of Custard the Dragon, ये भी एक बहुत ही fun poem है. It is light, it is entertaining, it has jokes in middle. Sermon at Banaras is again a learning kind of a moral story that is there, which talks about Gautam Buddha. Okay. And for Anne Gregory, again, one more poem. We'll go through it. We'll understand what this poem is about. And then there is last में एक play है, The Proposal, which is again we'll enact it out तो ज़्यादा मजा आएगा. It has 3 central characters in it. So जैसा कि हम देख रहे हैं, let's again move to this thing which is very important, which is how the paper is divided. Now this is for this year. तो ये जरूरी नहीं है कि कुछ चीजें जो 10th stand के लिए हटा दी गई थी, रिड्यूस कर दी गई थी, might also be reduced for you, might not be reduced for you. The pattern also might change. But currently, since we have this paper pattern in front of us, we will be working with this only, but we will not be eliminating any of the chapters. Okay, so जो portion reduce कर दिया है government ने, वो हम reduce नहीं करेंगे, पर हम उसको जरूर, बस हम लोग क्या करेंगे कि pattern ये वाला follow करेंगे. So it has 5 sections. Section A is stories from your main textbook, the first flight. Section B is poem from the textbook, the first flight. अब आप देखेंगे supplementary reader exam के portion में नहीं है. Although there is a textbook of supplementary reader that we have, it is called Footprint Without Feet. It also has fun stories in it. It has a total of 10 stories, I believe. Just let's see how many stories are there.
Yes, it have 10.
So whenever we are bored, whenever we feel like the class is getting a little overstressed and we feel like आज हमसे पढ़ाई नहीं होगी, we will go for Footprint Without Feet, where we'll relax ourselves with a nice story. Okay. So first is prose. Section A. Yeah, I want everyone to write this down in your notebook. Now, this year, since we are starting with 10th standard, what I want you all to do is make one notebook for English. We'll do all the grammar, all the writing and everything in this textbook only, in this notebook only. And the first page of your notebook should be this, the paper pattern. And then we'll start everything accordingly. Okay. So first जो है paper pattern, let's look at it. Section A, prose, first flight. So it will have comprehension passage, which is scene comprehension. Scene comprehension is a few paragraphs or a few excerpts from your textbook stories, and they'll give you multiple choice questions. How many questions? 2 questions, 2 marks. Then again, same comprehension passage, scene passage, but now you will have to answer in 1 line or 2 line in this. This will come for 3 marks. So fill in the blanks, vocabulary. What again they'll do in this is, they will give you a paragraph, and what they will ask for you to do is, they'll give you some options for these fill in the blank, and they'll remove some of the words from it. You will have to place the correct word in the correct space. बहुत ही easy लग रहा होगा यहाँ तक देखने में. Section A में कुछ भी difficult है, and textual questions which we all are familiar with. So everyone comfortable with section A?
Sir, what
Yes,
is
sir.
VSA? Comprehension passage में VSA क्या होता है sir?
Very short answers. बहुत ही खराब full form लग रहा होगा आप सुनने में.
हाँ.
ज़्यादा ही.
So let's okay. So this is not for us. ये वो बहुत ही बेसिक जो है ना भाई, जो नहीं पढ़ते हैं उन स्टूडेंट्स को बताना चाह रहे हैं, पर आप लोग तो सब बहुत ही क्योंकि क्यूरियस है, सो यू ऑल नो नाउ VSA मींस वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर्स। मतलब शॉर्ट आंसर भी नहीं बोला है उन्होंने, दे हैव सेड वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर। तो लिखना है ही नहीं इसके अंदर कुछ भी आपको, जितना छोटे से छोटे में हम आंसर कर सकते हैं, दैट शुड बी आवर प्रायोरिटी। ओके, सेक्शन बी, comprehension of stanza, scene poem, VSA. I believe now you all understand what VSA stands for. सबको
Yes,
पता
Yes,
है?
sir.
Yes,
Very short answer.
Very short answers. Correct. Figure of speech. Ah, my favorite topic. How many of you remember what figure of speeches are? Yes. Yes, no, नहीं याद है, याद है.
Sir, types होता है.
मेटामॉर्फी, सिमिली,
This will need a lot of practice. ठीक है, although it might seem that it is coming for only 2 marks, but we
क्वालिटी
can't
ऑफ
risk that,
सेंटेंस.
right? We can't risk that. हम क्यों रिस्क लें? हमारे लिए तो 2 marks का वो बहुत ज्यादा important है. So we'll be preparing it through and through for this. Again, we all know what textual questions are. ये वाला पार्ट सब लोगों ने लिख लिया है नोटबुक के अंदर में. सेक्शन ए और सेक्शन बी लिख लिया है मार्क्स वाइज.
Yes.
yes, sir.
So wait, so
जो नहीं लिख रहे हैं, जिनको आलस आ रहा है लिखने में, यू कैन टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट, बट मेक श्योर दैट इट इज इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक. सी दिस ईयर व्हाट वी विल बी डूइंग इज वी आर यूजिंग यूलो ऐप. सो इसके अंदर एक बहुत बढ़िया फीचर है. सो इफ आई सेंड एन असाइनमेंट, यू विल हैव टू सबमिट इट ऑन दिस इटसेल्फ. तो जितने लोग सबमिट करेंगे वो भी लिस्ट मेरे को मिल जाएगी, और जितने लोग नहीं करेंगे वो भी लिस्ट मिल जाएगी. सो नाउ यू डोंट हैव टू go through all that effort के है ना मेल पे सबमिट करना है या व्हाट्सएप पे भेजना है. You will send it to teacher and teacher automatically will get your assignment also, and she'll also get a list कि कितने students ने नहीं किया है ये work, and then we'll talk to them personally. But I believe that none of you are going to be complacent this year, and you are going to all take seriously this 10th standard. So let us make sure that we have 1 year in our hand. We'll give our most in it, and we'll make sure that we end up with success. I believe some of the, I am seeing okay. So the best thing to do in this is, see, there is no chat feature right now. I specifically asked them to remove the chat feature. I'll ask them again to add the chat feature if it seems like it is very important. But why we have removed the chat feature is because we want students to interact and not just write in the comment section. That way the class will also be more beneficial to you all. So let's move to section C, everyone.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Section C, grammar, rectification of error. We all know what this is, right? Error correction. It is
Yes,
going to
sir.
come for 4
Yes,
marks.
sir.
We are going to do a lot of practice of this, because there is no rule that you can there's a no fixed pattern or rule to solve rectification of error. But the more you practice, the more you can ensure that no one can take those 4 marks away from you. Fill in the blanks. Now fill in the blanks are what? Prepositions, articles, conjunction. I believe you can do it in your sleep as well. It is so easy. Direct, indirect speech. This we have been doing from class 5th. I believe you can do it for 1 more year. Not that difficult, and this is going to continue till 12th. I know आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि ऐसा कैसा टॉपिक है, 12th स्टैंडर्ड तक एक ही चीज पढ़ रहे हैं, बट इट इज गुड फॉर अस, इट इज फ्री मार्क्स, क्योंकि ये तो हमको सबसे ये टॉपिक तो हमको आता ही है. Do as directed. Now do as directed is transformation of sentences. Transformation of sentences could be from assertive to interrogative, interrogative to exclamatory, or simple, compound, complex. We did it in the last few sessions of 9th standard. We're going to do it again this year to ensure that we score. But do you see the good thing that they have done for you in this? They have made it an MCQ. वो लोगों ने बोल दिया है, बोर्ड वालों ने आपको, डोंट गिव टू मच ऑफ एफर्ट। आप बहुत ज्यादा, उनको टेंशन है आपकी, बहुत बच्चों के ऊपर प्रेशर है, इतना टेंशन में वो लोग नहीं अटेम्प्ट कर पाएंगे, सो लेट्स गिव देम MCQs। सेक्शन
Sir.
डी which is, हाँ, yes,
Sir, active passive.
एक्टिव पैसिव अगर आएगा then it is going to come in do as directed only, okay, that you have an
passive?
active sentence, convert it into passive voice। but
Okay.
एक्टिव पैसिव का मार्क्स देखो, एक्टिव पैसिव का शायद ज्यादा से ज्यादा कितना है, 1 मार्क का क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, बट डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट हैज बीन गिवन 3 मार्क्स। so importance for direct indirect is more, okay।
Yes.
Section D, it is reading and writing। now in this section till last year what used to come was, in this section there used to be unseen passages, unseen poems, but this year what government did is, in the new paper pattern they removed the reading section completely। we are not yet sure for next year and for the time when we give our board exams, is the reading section going to be there or not, but till the time we don't get that update, what we will do is हम लोग करेंगे practice, okay, because a little bit of practice does no harm to any one of us। and if you feel कि सर ये topic अभी जब तक confirm नहीं होता, नहीं आ रहा है, let's not do this। ऐसा कोई है क्या जो ऐसा सोच रहा हो?
No, sir.
No, sir। Great,
No.
great। so we'll be practicing some reading sections also। and reading section तो कैसा practice होता है, I will send you a reading section homework में, just do it on your own। you don't need my help in reading section, you will have to just read and answer the questions। so we'll be doing those kind of assignments as well। next is diary or dialogue writing। now dialogue writing is free marks। अगर dialogue writing का question अगर पेपर में दिखता है, it is free marks। क्यों? वो लोग बोलेंगे आप टीचर हो, आप एक स्टूडेंट हो, और they'll give you a scenario where you are a person, you are talking to policeman, you are talking to your friend, और आपको 4 लोगों के बीच के डायलॉग लिखना है, 2 लोगों के बीच के क्या कॉन्वर्जेशन हो रहा है उनका। फ्री मार्क्स, यू कैन क्रिएट एनी सिनेरियो, इट इज मोर लाइक स्टोरी राइटिंग, बट आप एक प्ले लिख रहे हो इसके अंदर।
डायरी और डायलॉग में ऑप्शन है?
हाँ, you will get both options, you can either attempt a diary or a dialogue। next, अब ऐसे ही आपको ये देखने में बहुत मजा आएगा that there is 3 options in the next question, which is going to be advertisement or notice or poster। you can attempt either one of these 3, but I would suggest always to attempt the notice, because notice is the most easiest and the fastest to complete। advertisement and posters, I would suggest for those who have a creative knack and they have उनको थोड़ा ये एक माइंड, बीच में एग्जाम देते देते भी हम क्या होता है कभी बोर हो जाता है, so we want something creative, something fun to do it in paper, so that हम लोग आगे के सेक्शन में वापस थोड़ा एनर्जी गेन कर सके। that way you can attempt advertisement or posters। we'll practice everything, you can choose which one you like the most and you can attempt it in the exam। section E, writing section। now this is the last section, और अभी तक हमारे सबसे बड़ी चीज क्या नहीं आई थी, ऐसे और स्टोरी, तो वो हमारे इसके अंदर में आएगी। so this will have all the formal writing ones, which is going to be report writing, letter or email writing and essay और story writing। तो जहाँ पे और लिखा है वहां पे ऑप्शन मिलेगा आप लोगों को, ओके।
सर रिपोर्ट राइटिंग और ऐसे में ऑप्शन देते ना, ये स्टोरी और ऐसे में क्यों दिया?
रिपोर्ट राइटिंग और ऐसे में कब से ऑप्शन आने लगा? ऐसे तो ऐसे और स्टोरी राइटिंग में ही होता है हमेशा ऑप्शन। Do you want me to send you this last year sample paper that we
Yes,
have
sir.
received from board?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ऐसा
Yes, sir.
you would be shocked to see कि आप लोगों ने 9th का जो असाइनमेंट किए थे लास्ट वाले, उसमें से कुछ क्वेश्चन मैंने इसी में से ले लिए थे आप लोगों के लिए, जस्ट टू गिव यू अ कॉन्फिडेंस कि इतना हार्ड नहीं है, ये सब बहुत इजी है।
हाँ सर, ग्रामर तो बिल्कुल भी हार्ड नहीं था, ग्रामर तो बहुत इजी था।
ग्रामर हाँ जितना सोचा था
Solve
उतना
किए
hard
थे
नहीं है।
9th में।
ओके,
ग्रामर में तो पूरा अटेम्प्ट भी किया है और श्योर भी है कि पूरा सारे मार्क्स आएंगे.
Great.
No.
But now we have to be this confident for the 10th standard
Literature.
as well. Okay. तो वेटेज एज पर सेक्शन आप देख सकते हैं, टोटल 80 मार्क्स का पेपर रहेगा. ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप वेरी शॉर्ट मिला के कितना 29 मार्क्स, और शॉर्ट अगर और मिला दो तो 29 प्लस 18 कितना होता है. इतना टाइम नहीं करना
47.
चाहिए था, आंसर आ जाना चाहिए.
47.
47. So 47 marks out of 80 are going to be short type answers. Easy मतलब ये तो मतलब more than कितना 60 मतलब roughly around 60% of the paper जो रहेगा हमारा is going to be short type answers. Long type का कितना एक आंसर है which is कितने मार्क्स के 3 मार्क्स का. And essay type कितने questions है 5 मार्क्स.
अभी तो आप कोई दवाई
टोटल ऐसे टाइप के कितने क्वेश्चन है 30. सो 30 मार्क्स के लिए. सो अगेन ओनली लॉन्ग टाइप आंसर्स आर देयर फॉर 30 मार्क्स. रेस्ट 50 मार्क्स आर गोइंग टू बी वेरी इजी टू अटेम्प्ट एंड वेरी शॉर्ट, मतलब जल्दी हो जाएगा. ओके. सो अगेन दिस पेपर पैटर्न इज वेरी इजी. देयर इज नथिंग टू फियर अबाउट दिस पेपर पैटर्न एंड देयर इज नथिंग टू इवन वरी अबाउट इट. काफी इजी है ये.
एक
डूइंग दिस इन द फ्यूचर क्लासेस आल्सो.
अभी देखो
नाउ let me just share one more thing with you all. Mics just अपना म्यूट कर देना अगर किसी के स्टार्ट है तो.
ये तीन ही तो लाई थी.
Swastika, please mute your mic.
Yeah. Just 1 minute. Yeah, I'll share something new. So we are going to start our basic English routine from tomorrow onward, from the next session onwards, which I believe is on Wednesday. So what do you want to cover Wednesday? What do you want to start with? Do you want to start with something light, something nice story? Do you want to start with a poem?
Yes,
Do
sir.
you want to
Literature.
take
Start
a
with
grammar
the
section?
story.
Yes, sir. Literature.
Wait. We'll do voting, okay? We'll do voting. How many of you want to start with grammar section? No one wants to start with grammar section. That is so bad. Okay. How many of you want to start with a poem?
Me.
Okay, we have 3 votes. So I believe then I should not even ask, but let's do the formality. How many of you want to start with a story?
Me.
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 sir.
Me.
So first story tomorrow. So the first story that we'll be taking up is A Letter to God. Okay.
Yes.
What I want you all to do is just read the story beforehand. It is a very simple read. It is not difficult at all. And once you read it, I believe the session would be even more fun to attend because you will understand things which you probably could not before. And what we'll do is after the session ends, how are we going to take up the question and answers and everything else for this session is, what we'll do is once the session ends, I'll give you summary, I'll give you notes for this chapter, and you will have to do the question and answers on your own, and then we will go for a simple class-wise test. Now this year, as per our schedule, what we are going to do is we are not going to have those Saturday and Sunday tests. We are going to have unit tests, which will be at the end of the month. But we'll keep, just to have fun here and there, we'll keep surprise tests or small tests in between so that you can also make sure that you don't feel like कि पूरे month के बाद में है ना आप लोगों के जो है exams आ रहे हैं, so you'd stop preparing. Now what currently we have planned is these sessions are going to run for 15 days. बाकी सब classes के summer camp चल रहे हैं. Are you all envious that आप लोगों का summer camp नहीं हो रहा है अभी?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes.
कोई नहीं. Don't worry.
Yes, sir.
I will ensure that in between those sessions, so after we finish maybe one chapter and one or two poems, what we'll do is, because that is what I had planned for 15 days. So अगर हमारा जल्दी finish हो जाता है, I will take a few of those sessions that I have planned for the younger kids with you all also. Okay? So you can let me know which session specially you would want a class on. There are options like how to make a PPT. There is option like how to learn to play chess. Then there are
So I would
other
go to
sessions
for
like
chess.
acting. Then there are sessions like science experiments, easy science experiments to do at home where teacher will be performing experiments with you. So there will be many different kind of activities that are planned. So let's see. If you want any session, you want chess, we'll take chess. I'll play with some of you also in those sessions as well. But our first target is to finish Letter to God. Okay, then we'll see if we still have time. We'll go for one of the poems, and then again we'll give you a 15-day break, and we'll start your sessions from June onwards. But these 15 days are not to be taken for granted. Why? Because we'll be taking the initial chapters in all the subjects. So सभी subject के अंदर में आपका first chapter or 2 chapters will be done during this time. What this is going to do is, this is going to give you a head start. क्योंकि हम जून से अगर start करते हैं, so it might have pushed us a little fast, but this 15 days, what after we go on a break, you can read on your own. Once you realize कि इतना hard नहीं है, it can be done by us as well. So these 15 days are going to help you in figure out how to do these things on our own. So first session is done today. How was your experience, student? मजा आया आज session में? Although we did not do anything new,
Yes.
feel कि आज कुछ नया सीखा नहीं, but we just discussed the whole year today. So yeah, any queries, any questions that you have, any suggestions that you have, we can discuss about.